little artists! Today we're going to draw and color 4 different types of leaves. Let's explore nature through art. Grab your pencils and let's begin. Leaf 1. Maple leaf. First, let's draw a maple leaf. Start with a stem, then create big pointed edges that look like tiny mountains. Leaf 2. Fern leaf. Next is a fern leaf. Draw a long curved stem and add lots of tiny leaflets on both sides. Leaf 3. Oval leaf. Now let's draw a simple oval-shaped leaf. Start with a short stem and draw a big oval with a pointy tip. Leaf 4. Palm leaf. Finally, let's draw a palm leaf. Draw a long line in the middle, then add long skinny lines out from both sides. Color it yellow or orange, just like it looks in the fall. Use light and dark green to give it a cool, leafy look. Color it bright green and add little veins with a darker pencil. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun nature drawings.